Okay. Welcome to Solidworks tutorials. Today we are going to practice sketching this component here. This component, as you know, practice make improvement. So we will stay with me. We are going to draw this by using Solidworks step by step. As you can see here, this component has a hole here, has this cut here, this, and also this. We have a filter here, fillet here. We have a fillet here. You can see, yes. So we are going to draw this by using Solidworks. So stay with me. Parts. You can see this part. So here, as you know, in a Solidworks, this is front view, this is right view, and there is a top view. So right view, front view. So we are going to start with this front view. So we draw this sketch, the front view, then we extrude it by here 8. Here is 7, 8, 22. Here is 10. Here is 40. Here is 30. And the radius here is 8. The radius of the fillet is 20. Here, then we go to features, then extrude base. Select the plane, which is front plane. Then we sketch the front. Smart dimension. Here is 8. 8. Here is 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. Then smart dimension. This is 40. This is 40. And this is 10. 10. From here to here is 15. Here to here is 15. 15 comentano. And then I'm going to draw this here. Small dimension. This is 30. And radius here is 8. And the distance from here to here is is 22. And the distance from here to here is 20. Okay, then we are going to fillet. Okay, and we are going to fillet this way and this line and this line. The radius here is 20 here. Then we click OK. Okay. Then click OK. Then we go trim the entities. Remove this here. Yes. So we already have this view here. Then we are going to extrude by 80. We are going to extrude by 80. Okay. Then exit the sketch. And extrude this way by how much? 80. See 80. See, okay. Yeah, after finishing extruding, then we select this light view of this part, then you click extruded cut, then you draw the shape to be cut here. Yes, mark dimension. Then this is 40. And this here is 50. Here to here is 20. So 40, for 80 minus 40, we get 40. From here to here is 80 minus 30, we get 50. Then we draw this 30 by 10. Here to here is 80 minus 30, 50. 50 divided by 2, we get 25. Okay, then this here is 30. And this here is 10. And also from here to here is 25. Okay. And from here to here is 20. Okay, so 20, 80. Okay, after finishing the sketch, then you exit the sketch. Then we extrude cut through all. Okay. our component is ready. You can see our component here, so we can change the color of this component. So we come here, edit the appearance, then we can change the color. Click the board, then we can change the color. Okay, yeah. As you can see the parts that we draw in this. So you have already finished drawing. Then you can save your parts. Make sure you save. Click here. Save the components. Save your drawing. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more video like this. Thank you.